What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? With y'all, what's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today we headed to Jhall Automotive, man. Finna check on the truck. As y'all can see, I'm doing the intro late, so the intro behind all the rest of the footage. Cause I'm like, I thought about it, I jumped in the car, I ain't do y'all no intro, so you can't come in the house without saying, hey, what's up, this and that. So today we heading to Jhall Automotive and y'all gonna get the see what's going on with Brown Coat, man. So, like I said, driving the Cutlass over there. This is what it is. I'm gonna catch y'all over at Jhall. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. Like I said in the other videos, I said, man, I'm a daily drive R&B for the next 4 days, and that's what I'm doing. Staying true to the word. So, like I said, we got another update on Brown Coat. Gonna take the door locks down here. And I got to get the little adjustment, the light adjustment screw. I was gonna stop and get it before I got there, but I'm just gonna get the old one out and then compare it, cause they sell them different lengths and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna get that. I'll take that probably tomorrow. So we're gonna take these door locks right here, lock and cylinders. So he'll have them, cause this more complex to put on, more time consuming to put on than the what's the name anyway. So we finna get crank up old R&B. Crank old R&B up. I gotta get some more gas. Good God Almighty. I ain't burn so much gas, man. The only thing about daily driving, man. So we're gonna hit the gas station. Then we're gonna head down there to Jhall Automotive. So y'all stay tuned. I see it, man. Only other stay with it. Highway ride. Take this little ride, man, a little 35-minute ride to Jhall Automotive. Then we're gonna check back in, man, to put some petrol in. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on when we get there. Stay tuned. Alright, we back, y'all. We back. Drop the locks out. Look, this is the next day. This is literally the next day. I got another video for y'all coming. But like I said, I dropped this one because y'all know just yesterday we dropped the other video. And it was ready for primer, and this is the day after. This literally the day after that video y'all saw. So, like I said, he got this thing all primed up, man. Told he got the cab primed up and all that. They were all like, man, I took that out with me, so I'm gonna go get that. So we'll have that new. But did the next day, like I said. So the cab and all that ready for paint, y'all. It ready for paint. That thing all solid now. So, you know. Got it all primed and everything. Then the bed. He gonna do the bed separately and set the bed up there. But like I said, man, it all, look how solid it is. You can't even tell. Then right there, you can't even tell them holes right there, man. You can't even tell them holes right there. So, man, he rolling. Then he got that piece up there too. It's all good. So, man, this bad boy is ready. It ready now. Look down through there, y'all. Look how. That's solid, man. It look crazy. It ain't that ripped. Y'all remember the door was all folded and tore open right there. Fender messed up. Scratched up right here. We ain't got no scratching no more. We all good now. So this ready for paint. Like I said, it's literally ready for paint. So ain't no telling. Man, realistically, he probably had a cab and everything. The truck probably be painted, man, this week. Be real with y'all. Depending on if he worked this weekend or not. If he don't, it'll be first thing Monday. First thing Monday. But like I said in earlier vids, reason he did it like this, because he gonna paint all back here too. So all this gonna be painted. So you know it'll look good. so everything will look good and all that. So all that right there gonna be painted and everything. So it's coming. It coming, y'all. Put the bed back on, put it all back together. Like I said, y'all know we got the new bumper. Then this the old bumper right here. I mean, really ain't gonna be no good, really. I mean, we're gonna use that. We're gonna use the impact strip, but it got a little fender bender down at the bottom. Now I got some amber lens, like amber turn signal, like somebody want them. I'm gonna sell these the old one, cause I got all that new right here. And we got new locks and all that stuff, man. But this thing ready. It ready to go, man. Y'all look over it real good. And he said it was some right here, but I couldn't see that. It was a small one right here on the good side, but I couldn't see that. So like I said, this it. So I'm trying to catch y'all step by step. So then when y'all see it painted, I mean, y'all can get real time for the process. So this day 12 that he had the truck, he done had it 12 days at this point, and that's where it's at. It ready for paint in 12 days, 12-day time. And then I was looking at this, I got to change this, y'all. This truck too clean and too nice to have these regular rotors on here. So we gonna change this. We gonna change this. So but yeah, this it, man. Next time y'all be seeing this thing, it gonna be painted. So the next video update I come with on the brown coat S10 is gonna be painted. So I'm trying to decide on, should I show y'all as soon as he get it painted, or should I show y'all after he done painted it and we put the whole truck back together so I can do the final reveal, which is what I probably do. I probably show y'all the final reveal unless he do door jams. Y'all might get 2 more videos. I say y'all might get 2 more. If he do the door jams, I might show y'all that, but I want the color to be a surprise or whatever. So I don't know. We'll see. But there where we at. Got the door locks dropped off, and we about ready to go. So yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned in. We're gonna hop back in R&B, head back to the house in a little bit, and catch y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, so I just got back from Jhall. We just talking about some other stuff, man, cause it's gonna be some more to come. I'm trying to get y'all. Get this hood pop, man. Let me set y'all there. Alright, y'all. It's about to be some more to come, y'all. We talking about some stuff, man. Then brown coat about to be nasty. I can't wait to see it. Man. That man doing real excellent work, man. Like for real, then. You just talk to him. I don't know how many people done hit him up yet or gonna shop with him, but I'm telling you, man, it worth it. Customer service, and I mean, he don't do the thing about Jhall, Jarvis. He don't do but one at a time. That's what I like. That's what I like about him. Like my truck, like when we first talked about this, he didn't tell me just come on and bring it, just cause I was ready and had the money and was ready to go. He didn't tell me to bring it. He was like, I think he said a week. I think that we had said a week or something. He like, a week and a half, I got something else in here. He said, then we'll be ready. Exactly in a week and a half, I called him. I was like, I'm ready when you ready. And I had some stuff to do too. At the time, you know, we were gonna put the nitrous on it first. But then we found out we had to take the kit back, and took some time for the kit to get back and all of that, which, like I said, I'm still waiting on it. So I was like, well, I might well go ahead and get it painted. And then I hate, like I said, well, Jesse just gonna have to tiptoe lightly around it, but they used to that. They had clean cars down that Lawless all the time. But he said that, and week and a half, I brought it, and there it is. Like, so the thing about him, like I said, if y'all hit up Jhall for paint work, then he does one at a time, and you should respect that. You know, That way your car is in and out. Like it ain't gonna take. And he shoot for 2 weeks. That what we were just talking about. He literally shoots for 2 weeks. Like to have your car done in 2 weeks. But even if he take a month, that's great. That's great turnaround for a full paint job, a custom paint job. Like, so if you shop with him, just keep that in mind. If he tell you a time, just wait. It's just that he doing one at a time. And I like people that work like that. I like people that work like that, cause that way you know they're gonna be on your stuff, and it ain't gonna take too long. They're gonna be real efficient on the time and all of that. So he does one car at a time. So I like that. Or when mine get done, he'll have something else, so you know he'll be open for another paint job, whatever. So you know, you just keep that in mind. My bad, I'm wigging y'all around. You just keep that in mind. He does, like I said, 2-stage, 3-stage paint job. He does not do candy. He don't fool with candy. And we were just talking about that. And the reason being, he said candy really he said it's cheap. I mean, as in over time it's fade. He was saying candy is for more custom, like garage kept cars. Like that's why I was gonna go candy on one of these two. But I changed my mind. I got my color. Well, y'all know what Big Meat. Big Meat is a pearl. I actually like pearls better. Some people can't tell the difference. They look about the same. That what me and him was talking about. He like, now he paint pearls, which is what's on Big Meat. Like you can do a house of color pearl, and they look they look better to me than candy. But he was like, candy paint is real thin. Said it fades over time. He just don't like fooling people coming 2 years, 3 years. You saying my paint job fading, and it really not what he did. It's just the paint. You know, and my car see the road a lot. I ain't got no, I don't have no, I call them show cars. I do them up nicely, but I'm not doing a car to try to go park it park it somewhere and win a car show. That ain't why I do it. I like mine to actually perform and be road worthy, but be nice too. Nice on the eyes and all that. So I'm just telling y'all ahead of time so you call, you know what to expect. Now, like a pearl, like Meats is a pearl, but look how long this paint been holding on this car. People can talk about it now. It do need a paint job, but look how long it been holding, man. Like, and it's a pearl. It's a pearl, man. Like, it's a gold base coat. It's a lime gold. That's a pearl right there. Look how long that been holding, and it still look good in some places. So this, like I said, Big Meat's gonna be lime gold all the way, but Jhall gonna get a lot of business, man. Jhall can get a lot of business even from their house alone. I'm telling y'all that now. So, man, it's just amazing. He done had that car 12 days, and the progress he done made in 12 days. It's 12-day time, and we already, I'm gonna be, man, that truck will be back at the house next week. Right at 2 weeks. And like he was saying, if he didn't have to do as much work on that door and fender, it would have been right on time. I've probably been getting it Monday, Tuesday, but that car will be right back in this spot next week. I promise you. So, I mean, you can't, man. I've been doing the videos in real time, so y'all can see. And I mean, he just getting down, man. He getting busy. Now, this video y'all seeing, I know originally in the beginning I said it's the day after. It was the day after. I just dropped it a day late, cause I gave y'all a video before this one. But this, I'm recording this literally the next day after y'all saw the last paint update on day number 12, which is how many days he had the car. I'm just dropping it a day later. So yeah, man, that's it. Shout out to Jhall. We about to have brown coat back, and it's gonna be nasty. I promise y'all, I can't wait to do the debut. It's gonna be nasty. But yeah, that's it, y'all. Appreciate y'all. Catch y'all later, BCG.